Hi, I'm Omer from Milsu. In this video, I'll explain how to install our enclosed water purifiers. Our purifier has 6 filters, a 12-stage system, and an 8-liter steel tank. This model includes a pump. You can choose a pumpless model if that suits your needs better. If your water pressure is low, we recommend using a model with a pump. Your purifier can be 5-stage or 14-stage. Filters can be arranged horizontally or vertically. The working principle is the same. When we receive your order, we prepare it carefully and ship it quickly. It's packed with foam to prevent shipping damage. All parts needed for installation are included with the product. The box contains a purifier, membrane filter, faucet, connectors, and installation materials. The package includes a 3/8 combo line, 4.5 meter hose, membrane key, warranty, and manual. We have 3 different line sizes available. The 3/8 line is typically used for bidet taps in homes. We also have a 3/4 line. It's for washing machine and dishwasher faucets. The 1/2 line is suitable for connecting to wall plumbing. We'll demonstrate installing the 3/8 line. First, insert the gasket with the notched part facing the steel surface. The flow direction should point to the faucet with the purifier side closed. First, the turret. Close it and the cold water, then loosen the flex hose with pliers or a wrench. You can use a bucket or basin to catch water from the hose and prevent it from wetting your cabinet. We attach the line to our flex hose. After hand tightening, we can use pliers for a firmer grip. Then we add the gasket. We assemble on site. Hand tighten, then use pliers. Attach the 1 meter hose to the line. You'll feel it click into place and it won't come off when pulled. For faucet installation, we'll use 3 items: an O-ring gasket, a hard plastic washer, and a nut. First, place the O-ring at the base of the faucet. Set the faucet, add the plastic washer, then the nut. Finally, tighten with the wrench. After cutting our faucet hose to about 1 meter, we'll attach the connectors. First, slide on the nut, then the ring. You may need to use some force. Next, insert the pin and attach it. Hand tighten, then use pliers. To fully secure it, completing the assembly process. Cut the waste pipe at a 45-degree angle with a curved edge, then connect it to the drain. It should go in 20 to 30 centimeters to prevent water backflow. Now we can make all 3 device connections at once. First, connect the waste hose to the marked wastewater part on the device. Make sure it's seated properly. You'll hear a click. Connect the mains water inlet to the water input section. For clean water output, connect the hose from our tap to the faucet outlet. Choose a membrane filter based on your water's pollution and hardness levels. We recommend choosing an Aquafilo membrane. Now we're placing our membrane filter in position. First, we remove the hose from the inlet of our membrane housing. To remove the hose, press the side clip and pull it in the opposite direction. Then we can easily open the membrane housing. We insert the double-jointed part towards the bottom of the housing. You can do this by hand or use needle nose pliers if needed. After inserting, turn it once to ensure it's fully seated. It will click into place with a bit of pressure. We close the lid of our membrane housing. Once it's fully closed, we tighten it gently with the opening wrench. We attach the hose to our membrane filter. Now we can start the washing process. First, we need to wash the carbon dust from filters 1, 2, and 3 to prevent clogging the membrane filter. We disconnect the inlet hose from outlet 3 by pressing the clip for easy removal. We can collect the carbon dust in a bucket or basin as it flows out. We turn on the water from the mains inlet. While washing, we tap filters 2 and 3 with an object. We also tap the body and head parts. This helps dislodge the stuck carbon dust more easily. The water is becoming clearer now. After emptying it a few times, it's now transparent. Now we turn off the water. We reattach the hose to the fitting. After washing, we close the lid, finishing the under-counter process. If the device has a pump, plug it into a 220-volt socket. If it's pumpless, you can start using it right away. We've finished all the steps. Now let's turn on the tap and check the water flow. The water's coming out in a thin stream. This is normal when the tank is empty. It'll take 45 minutes with the pump, or 1.5-2 hours without, for the tank to fill completely. The thin stream is because there's no water in the tank yet. Once the tank is completely full, the water will flow with more pressure and force. When we turn off the tap, the tank will start filling automatically. The water's a bit cloudy right now. We can fix this by filling and emptying the tank a few times. You might see white air bubbles with new devices and filters. This isn't a health concern. It'll clear up within 7 to 10 days. That's all we have to explain in this video. Thank you for choosing our product. Enjoy using it.